Wow, wow, like wow, wow, tasty food. The world famous. Oh my god, it's very, very pretty food. Everybody like healthy food, the famous in the world. Wow, it's crazy. Wow, like a wow, 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 crazy food. Everybody like. Oh my god, it's tasty, delicious, good flavors, good ingredients. Wow, it's great. The spicy food. Everybody homemade this special food. Everybody like menu this. Wow, tasty food. Wow, everybody like this making food. The homemade in the world. Tasty food. Everybody like this world. India, USA, UK. Everybody, every food, every foods in the world. Everybody like the healthy food. The focus in your life. The make food is good. Wow, it's tasty. It's yummy, yaar. Yummy, 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 yaar. Crazy yummy. Delicious. The tasty food. Okay, like a wow, wow food. Oh my god, good smell. This making, this making good food, good health, good life. The every home like food tasty every day. The everyday make good food. Wow, it's crazy food. The lovely, delicious. Wow, it's a wonderful world. This making food. Wow, tasty food. Wow, good. Like a wow. Yeah, yummy, yummy, yaar. Oh my god, it's yummy, yaar. Wow, like please subscribe me, support me, likes. Everybody like this food. They make a special world in the world. The special food, the like, yaar. Please like. The yummy, yummy food, like a wow food. Oh my god, this crazy food. Wow, tasty, delicious. The make homemade food. Everybody like. Please support me. Please. This is simple pleasure of perfectly tasty food, freshly baked bread or coffee or good taste. Food greatness is not just about the dish itself but also the experience it creates, the lot of share around the table, the memories made, dish in the kitchen and connection ever a shared love of food. It is a celebration of tradition and the universal world of food. The people together enjoying food, everyone remembering the past and future day, shared humanity, food greatness about embarrassing the flavor tradition that our leaves bring to your meal. The food, the great food, the wow, like a wow, tasty, most tasty food in the world, enjoying everyone. One of the most enjoyable aspects of food is exploring new and flavors from around the world, whether it including in the spicy flavors of Thai curry, Indian curry, other countries, richest of example Japanese, sampling the aromatic spices of Indian. There always